Hello viewers, how are you all? Hope all are doing well. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. Today we are talking about how to make a roundabout in Ajman. Basically the video is about the driving test, concept and the best lane to drive without accidents. Let's have a look. There are 4 exits in the roundabout. First exit, second exit, third exit and the fourth exit. First exit is right, second exit is straight, third exit is left, fourth exit is full roundabout. For the first exit, we have to go with the right lane, only put the signal right and go with it. For the second exit, we have to put first left signal, then in the middle of the track put right signal and go with the most slower lane. If the tracks are 2 lane, we have to go with the second track, and if it's the 3 lane tracks, we have to go with the third one. For the third exit, we have to change right to the left track and go with the most inner lane. First of all, we put left signal, and after the second exit, put right signal and choose the most inner one lane. For the fourth exit, we have to go with the most inner lane, same like the left roundabout, but put the right signal after the third exit and come in the inner lane. If you want more videos, do subscribe my channel, share and like also. I really need your support from my sister and brother who live in Ajman, UAE, Pakistan and India. Thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.